folks, welcome to Notes Cloud by DY, your go-to channel for educational content, coding tutorials and project showcases. In this video, I am excited to share you a classic project with you, Tic-Tac-Toe Game, which is built using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's start by playing the game. You see the grid here, it's a 3x3 layout. At the top, we have the name Tic-Tac-Toe and at the bottom there is a reset button. Now let's play the game. This is a two-player game, so player O and player X will take turns. First, O will play and then it's X's turn. As we keep playing, you will see that when O or X wins, a message appears announcing the winner. For example, if O wins, it will display a message saying O has won the game. There's also a new game button. Let's click on that and you will see the game resets. Similarly, by pressing the reset game button, the game resets and we can start playing again from the scratch. This is how the game works. Now let's see the code and see how it's built. Well, beginning with the HTML file, the structure is simple. We have a h1 tag to display the tic-tac-toe. Below that, it is a container with a class name game, and inside it there are 9 buttons representing the box in the tic-tac-toe grid. Each box is clickable and it's where the player will mark their move. There are buttons below the game to reset the current game or start a new game. The footer gives credit to me as the designer and developer of the game. Next, we move on the CSS file. I have styled the box to form a classic tic-tac-toe grid. The grid is created using the flexbox to ensure that everything is centered on the screen. Each box has the equal dimension to form perfect square. And when you hover over a box, the cursor changes and indicate it's clickable. The message container that shows the winner or draw has a hidden class that gets toggled when the game ends. Finally, let's check out the JavaScript that runs the game. In the JavaScript, we have declared the several variables to keep track of the game state. Turn O is a boolean that controls whose turn it is. It starts as true for player O and switch between player after each move. Count track the number of moves which help us identify if the game ends in a draw. Count track the number of moves which help us identify if the game ends in a draw. We have also defined an array of winning patterns that represent the possible winning combination in a tic-tac-toe game. Here how it works: when a player clicks on the box, we check whose turn it is, player O or player X, and update the box with the corresponding symbol O or X. After the player marks the box, we disable it so that it cannot be clicked again. We increase the move count and check for a winner using the check winner function. The check winner function compares the player's move with the winning pattern. If a pattern matches, the show winner function is triggered to display the winner's name and end the game. If all 9 boxes are filled without a winner, the game ends in a draw. If there's a winner, the game shows a congratulations message. If there's a draw, it displays a message starting with the game ended in a draw. The rest of the code is responsible for resetting the game when the reset button is clicked and enable new game when the new button is pressed. You can find the full source code for this project in the description box below. Head over to my GitHub profile, download the project files and try it out by yourself. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section or any of my social media platform. The link is in the description box. I will be happy to help you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Notes Cloud by DY for more coding tutorials and project showcases. See you in the next video.